There was a notable increase in transaction volumes in the hotel and licensed market last year, considering that only 2 hotels in the entire country traded in 2009 and only 3 the subsequent year. There were 33 hotels traded in Ireland last year, totalling between them 159 million. And of particular interest is that 86% of the value of those transactions came from outside of the jurisdiction. 13 of the 33 hotels were purchased by non-Irish entities. Many of the hotels that were brought to the market last year came for sale towards the end of the year. With the result, there's likely to be a carryover of transactions from 2013 into the first quarter of 2014. Several high-profile Dublin city centre and indeed many well-known provincial hotels are going to come to the market over the course of 2014, and we would expect to see strong demand for these properties. The hotel and licence sector is another sector where the extension of the capital gains tax waiver in the recent budget has been helpful and will certainly stimulate demand. The demand for hotels is likely to continue to emanate from overseas purchasers in the main, and many of the entities who bought over the last number of years are likely to buy further hotels. We may well see some new entrants from jurisdictions that haven't yet invested in the Irish market in 2014. Just as development is beginning in some sectors of the market, we will see the first signs of new hotel development emerging in the Dublin market this year, with many of the hotel projects that went through the planning process over the last 12 months starting construction. There was a significant surge in the volume of pubs that were traded in 2013, with very strong demand for many of the properties that were brought to market. And this year we expect to see that trend continuing, with an increase in the number of trading Dublin pubs likely to come to market over the next number of months. We saw the entry of Wetherspoons and some other UK entities to the Irish pub market last year, and we could well see them buying again in 2014 and other UK entities coming into this sector. The hotel and licensed market obviously had a very strong year last year, buoyed by events such as the Gathering, with tourist numbers up 7%, close on 8 million visitors to our shores. It remains to be seen if that activity can be replicated again in 2014. However, with the extension of the 9% VAT rate in this sector, the abolishment of the air travel tax, and many new air routes due to open, the likelihood is that we're in for a very strong year again in the hotel sector in 2014.